Yeah, come on with the riff. Y'all niggas faking the funk. Y'all know y'all out of there. Come with it.
Guilty Simpson in the house. Yeah. Murder Michigan. Throw it up. Murder City. Throw it up. GS Deuces. Peace to my West Coast fam, we smoking 7-Eleven on dice to keep them open. I'm here to seize the moment. Potent, deadly, murderous medley. Rodents eat rat poison that I set out for the slow leaf that chose to run that mouth. We run a tight ship and squealing ain't permitted unless you wanna see that villain in the fitted. Detroit new era, true terror. Deal with Michigan winners and new leathers. OG Kush when the blunts are blazing. Eyes low, you think I come from Asians? Nah, I come from a Detroit basement. Guns are blazing, the dent your face in. Yeah, my dogs take spots for dollars. Pop a pistol and pop your collar, holla.
Yeah, I get deeper than that. Once I blow your mind, you not keeping your hat. I bomb the scene, killing off your rhyme regime. You took it back like a time machine. My diamonds clean, my flow is hydro, cannabis sativa, also known as chronic weed, and then it's reefer. Watch it blow. My nuts hang a couple crotches low. And fuck 15 minutes, nigga, my watch is slow. Yo, you need to cease the bragging. You see the fire that I spit when I unleash the dragon. The ruler is back. We battle, your medulla is cracked. We do it online. You find your computer is hacked. A short decision where my brain stores division. I'm seeing bars come together like doors in prison. When I spit that line, you can keep in your mind when it creep. I do this in my sleep. Oh yeah, I get deep.